Hey, I'm here at a new listing on Dereg Road. It is on Muskellunge Lake. We are at the end of a dead-end road. They have a nice concrete driveway. So this is the end of the dead-end road. There's one house past, and the property borders that house right there, pretty much all the way over to that garage. It is a split level. It does have natural gas, drilled well, conventional, septic is newer. The side yard, like I said, goes all the way over to that garage. They get a nice buffer here. And the biggest thing about this, and you're not going to get everything you want in a lake home in this market. So not everybody's crazy about a bi-level, but this has a beautiful lot, and it is level, nice privacy between you and the neighbor. I would say there's probably at least 100 plus feet between your dock and the next dock to the left or right. And it is very level, sandy frontage, and it's raining right now, so not a sunny day, but beautiful, nice hard sand bottom, nice aluminum dock. So your next person is way over there. And Muskellunge is about 160 acres, full rec, has a public boat landing, but off a dead-end road, which not too many people know about. So this is just a small portion of the lake. You go through that channel and it goes back into the larger part, and then equally on the other side. So that's the house from this angle. There is power down here. There's a light pole and a plug-in, so you can plug in your boat lift if you wanted to put a boat lift here. So this was an addition above the garage that they added on. At that time, 2010 is when everything was updated, basically. They did a big remodel. This is a nice patio. This is actually spancrete, and there's a room in the basement underneath of here, and this would be an awesome screen porch. And then nice concrete patio over here, fire pit. So the neighbor, I don't know, you can't even hardly see, but their dock is way on the other side. And then there's an entrance there. But we'll go in the patio door here. So come in the living room. That is a pellet fireplace. So that's nice, no mess with wood. Kitchen. They had updated all the countertops. Nice little island here. Dishwasher, appliances are all included. That goes into the lower level. The lower level basement is finished. I'm not going to head down there because I'll lose reception, but that is unfinished. It does have egress windows. You could possibly put, a rec room and finish that off down there. Again, furnace, AC, all that was updated at the time of the remodel. So full bath, bedroom. Then there's this little sitting area that they're using for a dining room. This is a big, nice closet, pantry. And then that's a look back at the living room where I came in the patio door. All new windows, everything was insulated. This steps up to this little seating area, which should be great for kids area, if you have kids. Bedroom number 2. Full bath, laundry, tile floor, shower. Lots of counters, cabinet space there. And then this is the larger bedroom with a big walk-in closet. Huge closet there. Yeah, so that is about it. I guess I'll try to go into the basement, and then if I lose reception, it's at the end. So there used to be a spiral staircase here, so these steps are a little steeper than normal because they used to be spiral, but they took those out, thank goodness. Nobody likes that. So this is the basement. It's all block foundation, 200 amp service. Lots of storage space, and then this is the window. So you do have light. And this goes out to the garage. So 2-car garage, all drywalled. Garage door openers. Does have a vacuum system. They're going to be leaving that. And then this walks out to the lakeside, which is nice. So we're back out here. So nicely landscaped. Got some all kinds of stuff popping up here. Hostas. Just show the fire pit area a little bit here. So the lot line goes all the way over to those trees on that side. And then again, the neighbors are, I mean, this is the neighbor's lot. You can kind of tell where the grass ends. They put in a new septic. Their dock is way over there. And there's the lot stake. That is the side of the house. And they usually come in, park, and then come up these steps to get into the kitchen there. So if you have any interest, give me a call. We've already had a bunch of showings. I don't think this one's going to last the weekend.